You are welcome in the class of physical education for class 12th, unit 4, physical education and sports for CWSN. Today we will focus on the autism spectrum disorder ASD. It is the one of the part of disorder. In this, it is include a wide range of disability. It means it is the different or various types of the disorders include in a ASD. Just like those individuals are suffering from ASD, they are having a different type of the symptoms. Number one is social problem. That type of individuals are not interested or interact in the social way or in a society to the others, or they are facing the problem of the communication with the other person of the society. So this is the major symptom of the social problem of ASD. Second one, the symptom has observed to see repetitive behavior. They are repeating the any activity or any type of habit again and again. This type of the habit has shown in an individual as a ASD, and they feel just inferiority complex in them than the others. Next one, the most important thing, they are the some introvert, means that individuals, those who are suffering from the ASD, they are not taking interest in any type of the quality or any type of the work keenly or deeply. So on the behalf of that, we have to say autism spectrum disorder is the wide range of the disorders which are includes in the ASD. Same like that, the symptoms of the autism spectrum disorders, they are hurt the individual's ability to function socially. Same like that, they have to feel or they are hurt the individual's ability because they are not able to act or react with the others in the society or in the school or in the other areas of life. And some people are mildly impaired by their symptoms while others are severely disabled. Treatment and services can improve the person's symptoms and ability to function. Familiar with concern should take to their pediatrician about what they have observed and the possibility of ASD screening. Earlier treatment of ASD and proper care can reduce individuals' difficulties while helping them their new skills and make a most of their strength. The wide range of issue facing those on the spectrum means that there is no single best treatment of ASD. It means we can say in the autism spectrum disorder ASD, there is a group of the various or different type of the disorders, just like the depression, anxiety, auditory processing, ODD, ADD, OCD, and unknown other reasons also. So for that there is a various or different types of the treatments also by the psychiatrist or pediatrics, because this is the group of the various type of the disorders. That's why there is not possible the single treatment or single type of the medicine or method has applied for the ASD. That's why there is a variety of the treatments are there. On the behalf of that we have to just take a treatment through the psychiatrist or through the pediatricians to the ASD patients. So it is the brief detail of the ASD regarding the disorder, type of disorder. Thank you.